Samsung Mobile as AC remote. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use Samsung Mobile as AC remote control. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your Samsung phone has an IR blaster. This is necessary to control an AC directly. If your phone does not have an IR blaster, you will need an external IR device like a Broadlink IR blaster. After that, download a remote control application from the Play Store. Option includes SmartThings or third-party universal remote apps. Next, open the application and follow the setup steps. Once done, select your AC brand and model from the list. If your AC is not listed, try alternative model or use the learning feature if the app provides it. Then test the remote by turning your AC on and off, changing temperature and checking modes. Finally, customize your app settings, set schedules, adjust fan speed and create presets. And that's how you will be able to use Samsung Mobile as AC remote control. Quick and simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.